Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the photo layer so you always have the original to revert to. Open Filter, Liquify, and select the Forward Warp tool. This gives controlled, organic shifts for limbs and torso. Use a medium brush size. Too small creates artifacts. Too large loses control, so set 30 to 60 px and pressure around 50%. Push gently to establish a new gesture. Move mass, not details. Once done, press OK to apply the foundational pose change before refining. Now you refine the motion using Edit Puppet Warp, which preserves structure while letting you rotate and reposition segments. Place pins at key joints, shoulders, elbows, hips, knees, and at a base point to anchor the body. Drag and rotate pins to create natural arcs. Add pins around hair and clothing folds to prevent unwanted stretching. Adjust mesh density and expansion, normal density and a small expansion like 0. 5 to 5 px keep edges clean. Make incremental moves and undo if a limb looks unnatural. Finish by repairing artifacts and matching the scene so the pose looks intentional. Select background gaps or warped areas and use Content-Aware Fill or the clone stamp to reconstruct texture. This removes seams from moved limbs. Then return to Liquify for small contour fixes and use Edit Transform Warp to adjust clothing and fabric flow. Match shadows and highlights with a soft brush on a new layer set to multiply or overlay. If something goes wrong, duplicate the layer and test fixes there. Never overcommit to a single layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.